My name is Sheena Jones. I had uploaded a video on the ISpin Auto Builder, but I had to take it down because I didn't want to get my channel banned for posting the video. So I'm just going to post this video to go with you guys over the information about the ISpin Auto Builder. So the creator, founder is Donald McClendon Jr. I hope I'm saying his last name right. This company launched in 2022. So they've been in business now, you guys, for 4 years. So that's actually a great thing. They do live Zoom calls every Monday and Thursday. They do have a Telegram group. Now, they do have 2 phone numbers that you can call or text if you have any questions or need assistance. This here for me was huge because a lot of companies, people have signed up with them. They have questions, and only way you can reach them is through email. With this company here, you can call 2 different phone numbers. You can even text one of the numbers as well, ladies and gentlemen, and they'll help you, assist you, whatever you need. So, and they also have an email that you can email as well. So you have 3 different options. 2, you can call, you can also text, or you can send an email. Now, it's only $15 one time to get started. It's $5 as an admin fee, and then $10 locks in your level 1 position. You are paid instantly to the payment method of your choice. No waiting at all. If you are someone that cannot recruit, you're going to receive 10 leads that the company will email for you. And you can also send a follow-up message if you would like. The leads you receive are from people, ladies and gentlemen, that are looking for a work from home opportunity. They have opted in because they're looking for a way to make money from home. So you're going to get 10 leads, you guys. That's huge. Okay. And then our last one, everyone only needs to share this opportunity with 2 people. It only takes 6 people to fill your board. And the best part is you don't have to wait until all 6 spots are filled to get paid. So you know how normal opportunities, you have to wait till every spot gets filled and then you get paid. With this one, you don't have to. When that 3rd spot gets filled, you get paid. 4th spot gets filled, you get paid. 5th spot gets paid, you gets filled. I'm sorry, you get paid. The 6th spot re-enters you again to receive unlimited more $10 over and over again. And you can receive these multiple times a day, you guys. It's super easy. Now, let me get out of that. I'm going to go here. So when you click on my link, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to bring you to this page here. Okay, get paid 100% commissions of 10, 25, so forth. These are the levels where everyone is going to be starting here. Okay, and then let's scroll down. This video, watch it in full. Do not skip anything. You're going to click there to watch it. It's about 9 minutes, 52 seconds long. Watch the video in full. You can replay it and so forth to get a good understanding. It also gives you a breakdown. Okay. You can read everything. It's a 2x2. Follow your sponsor. And then it gives you right here how it works so you can read it and have an understanding as well. These are all the packages, and it tells you what you get. This package is $10. $10 per sale. You get 10 leads. The $25 package, 25 leads, so forth, so forth. And it continues to go on and on. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, Auto Builder, you get digital products, you guys. Digital products. A lot of people are like, well, what do we get? You getting the 10 leads, 9 traffic bundles and buyer leads packages, unlimited traffic and gift certificates, funnel and landing page builder, CRM software, and 25 follow-up autoresponders. You get ebook software, resale rights, automated tracking system, and your sites. You get different sites you can promote. With that, and then you continue scrolling down. Marketing tool, and it has all the stuff they're going to give you. You keep scrolling down, and then, okay, frequent asked questions you can click on if you have questions. There's my information. Okay, and everyone's page is going to show the same thing. You're going to keep scrolling down. Then you're going to click here at the bottom. Create your ISpin Auto Builder account. You're going to click there, and you're going to create your account. So you would click there. Okay, and then you would fill in your information, so forth, create your account, log in. I'm going to post a video on how to pay for your position, ladies and gentlemen, but I wanted to show you guys, let me get out of this, some payment proof. Let's go to that video. Okay, so here we go. Okay, one moment. Okay, so this is the view, the $10 matrix, so it's always going to be you here at the top. That's you. Okay, and then you bring your your first person, you're going to bring your second person, and then your two, bring in two. This here, the bottom is your pay line. Like I said, watch the video. The video goes into details on it. As soon as someone signs up on your pay line, get paid. Someone signs up there, you get paid. Someone signs up there, get paid. This one here is your re-entry to your another $10 matrix. But like I said, it's straightforward, it's easy. And then a lot of you like payment proof. Let's get to that. Okay, payment proof. I got these last Sunday, you guys. This one for I'm sorry, I said $4. Sunday at 4:55 p.m. from ISpin, $10. Next one. Okay, $10 level. This one 6:03 p.m. $10. But it's really straightforward. Just click the link, watch the video. If you're interested in signing up, that video is going to also be posted. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on WhatsApp as well as on Telegram. Those handles are going to be in the description section. But thanks for watching this video, and until next time.